Okay, I'm going to be doing the shooting test of the CYMA CMO35 AKS74u. First, we'll just do a quick dry fire. Don't want to damage the gun. Semi-automatic. Fully automatic. Now we will be shooting 0.2 gram BBs out of a mid-capacity magazine. Be aiming towards that barrel that you probably can't see because daylight savings screwed us over and decided that it's too late to be light up for. So we'll do semi-auto first. Now we'll do fully auto. Mag dump should be around 80 to 90 rounds. Here we go. This has been my shooting test of the CMO35 CYMA AKS74u. Thanks for watching.